to show you how to make your own zesty lemon homemade hummus. Now it's very easy to make, even your children can make it. My own little boy, he makes it, and it's most delicious. You can serve it with falafels, you can have it on salads, you can have it on potatoes. There's so much you can do with hummus. So today I'm going to show you how to make your basic base for your hummus. So first of all, we're going to start by adding our chickpeas. Now your chickpeas are a really good source of protein. You can even sprout your chickpeas for those who want to step up their nutritional intake. Also to mention is that you don't need anything fancy, just an ordinary blender will do just fine to make your hummus. Now you can buy the chickpeas in a can if you like, or you can cook your own chickpeas at home. I have cooked my own chickpeas and I've used a pressure cooker to do so. It's a lot faster. Otherwise you can just cook them on the stove and boil them up, but it does take longer. So we'll add now our chickpeas. It's 1.5 cups. And then we'll add our olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil or just the lighter one. And a clove of garlic, a large clove of garlic, or even 2 small cloves. And then a teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. And then we'll be adding our tahini, 2 tablespoons of tahini. I'll also be adding a teaspoon of ground cumin. And then your lemon. You can either squeeze your fresh lemon yourself. I like to add the pulp as well. I find that it gives it a lot more of a lemony kind of flavor. All right, and then just our water, and it's 1 cup of water. And we'll just pop the lid on and get it going. So we might just give it a little stir, and that's your lemon zesty hummus. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a variation of your hummus now that I've showed you the base. So I'm going to introduce the greens. This particular one I like to call mixed green hummus, and it's just an easy way to get your greens in your diet, especially for your children, and of course it's raw. So here I've added some spinach and some parsley and some fresh basil. And this gives it a really beautiful color as well. So now we'll just blend the green ingredients together. Now that we've blended all our mixed green ingredients together, we're now just going to place that in a bowl. And this is the finished product of our mixed green hummus. And you can dress it up beautifully with some sesame seeds or some sunflower seeds with a little drizzle of olive oil. It's very delicious. Now that I've showed you how to make your own simple zesty lemon hummus, and I've also showed you the mixed green hummus variety, I also wanted to show you different other varieties that you can also do with hummus. For example, over here I've made a beetroot hummus, and on this side I've made a peanut pumpkin hummus as well. So I just wanted to encourage you to be creative and to use different colors in your hummus. Of course you're getting lots of variety as well in your diet, and the children will enjoy it. You can also serve it with corn chips if you like. And over here I've also made some seed crackers that you can enjoy it with as well. Hummus is such a versatile food. It goes so well on nachos, on burgers, with falafels, on sandwiches. There's so much you can do with hummus. Pop it in your lunchbox. You can have it with carrot sticks and celery sticks. So it's a beautiful way to introduce more variety in your diet.